I wish you could see each other under different circumstances because then we'd be more happy to see each other. You know what I mean?
Sure.
Well, you know, like we only see each other when we do this, so we're like, "Ooh, I'm so excited." It's sort of like, I'm so excited to see you. Like we're not really because we know it just means that's quiz, you know?
Yeah.
Anyway, I like your color of shirt.
Thanks. Ignore me. I am printing out my stuff for tomorrow because I made that stupid decision again to go work out with my boyfriend.
Working out is great, but yeah, it's hard to miss.
Stupid decision. So, just getting stuff ready for when I come home because I'm not taking it with me this time.
Right. It was pretty good. I understood most of it.
I haven't finished part 2 for the preparation yet.
Do you want to go do it together before we take
I haven't even looked at it, but it looks kind of easy. Question is, I don't know where I put my calculator, so. How was work, Sarah?
It was actually nice because she read the newspaper and she kept falling asleep. My old client kept falling asleep, so it took her all day to read the newspaper. So that means I got to read too.
Yay!
So I got to read all the lesson for today, you know, lesson 10. And I mean, I did some housework too, and I made lunch for her still, but I got a good portion. I'm in town on Thursday, so I'm trying to get all 5 classes done by tomorrow night. 3 days.
Oh, sounds fun, Sarah.
It's so
fun.
We thought we were leaving tomorrow. Thank goodness we're not, because it wouldn't be possible. And I don't work tomorrow either because I thought we were going tomorrow. Anyway, so I have a day to do school. So excited.
Exciting. Where are you guys going again?
Oh, we're going to Arizona actually.
Yay! Perfect time to come because it's warm.
I'm freezing. I'm wearing my husband's jacket because it's cold. I don't want to come. I'm just a wimp. Anyway, I'm excited. We're gonna go to Lake Powell. Is it pretty warm still?
I highly doubt it because my swimming pool is cold. So have fun.
I don't mind cold water. I've been in really cold water. My brother's from Page. He lives there now, and he was like, "Might be okay." This was like a week ago before you even knew I was coming. He's like, "But if you guys came later, it might be cold." But it'll be fun just because it's fun. And then I've never been. And then we'll do like the horseshoe.
You should be fine in the water.
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll be fine. You live in Utah. You'll be fine.
Yeah, I'll be fine. It'll be probably really warm to me. To you,
yeah,
like, but I'm okay. So when you did lesson part 2, you read through it and then you watched both the videos. Is that what you mean?
What do you mean?
Because like the lesson 10 part 1 and part 2 are videos. You just go to the online textbook and read it all.
Okay.
So you're talking about right now. You need to do.
I watched lesson 10 videos yesterday. Okay. And I just finished like the actual part 1 for the preparation. So
Oh
I
yeah.
have
Yeah. What? Oh. So I did the quiz again, and I just finished before we got on. And it was pretty darn good. Pretty excited.
Really?
Yeah. But I'm thinking we need to get started soon. That way I can try to get
Okay.
then I can we can figure out.
I mean, if it's anything like part 1 and then preparation for part 2, then yeah, I should be fine. I hope. I kind of want to just do a couple of problems in part 2 for like 7 through 13. Like do a couple of those.
Yeah, no, that's a good thing to do. That's still contributing.
I just
The way they word things just
the way they word things is weird.
tricky. I feel like that's about every time for me. The way things are like cause like reading the lesson, I make connections and I understand definitions and stuff, and I understand what they mean in that context. And then when it's kind of switched around a little bit, it has like a new meaning for me. Like, what does this mean? Like, it's a different wording or.
Yeah, so I don't know where my calculator is. So I'll have to use my phone and the book.
You have one on your phone, right?
Um, okay. So, yay.
Oh boy, oh boy.
Okay, so when they're talking about the point estimate for the population mean, are they talking about the 50 people scores they sampled from?
Yeah, let me read it. I think the point estimate is kind of like the, what does it say? It's like equal to, let me test, like a mean. It doesn't give a clear definition right here, but then it says the above are called point estimators. So just one number, 1 point that is used to estimate. So I think it's the 500.
Wait. 541?
Correction. It's the sample. And that's something I was confuzzled about on the quiz. I think I got that one. Never mind. It is the sample mean, though. It's correct.
What? I was gonna say if it's sample mean.
I did that one wrong.
Dang it, I wish Weston could join us.
Got his thing all taking care of the pictures.
Oh, yeah.
What is the take again? Yeah.
I'm so confused. Oh my gosh. Good. Oh.
Oh, that's so sweet.
What?
I just love when things.
Are you okay, Sarah?
Huh?
Are you okay?
No, I'm good. I'm a happy Friday. This is happiness. Oops, where'd it go?
Yeah.
I want to know what your thoughts are on this quiz.
What I'm talking about?
What your thoughts are on the quiz. Question I'm curious.
Wait, did you already do the quiz?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, awesome.
Well, yeah. Well,
Okay,
sorry. I told you at the beginning. Ran through it once.
Number 8 is driving me crazy.
Create a 95% confidence interval for the population mean. So all your work below.
So I remember reading in the lesson that the most commonly used confidence level is 90, 95, and 99%. So the thing that I'm confused about is if it wants us to find like the p-value for both negative and positive, but I'm not sure.
Okay, so okay, wait. I didn't really hear what you said, but I know how to tell you how to do it.
Is it talking about like x plus or minus c times 0 over the square root of n? That one, or x plus or minus n?
So let's see. You're gonna have x here. Oh, 541, right? Yeah. So you want to 541 minus 6 is the 95th, 95 percentage, and then you times that the standard deviation, which is, and then divide by the square root of the number, and that is your low margin error, whatever. And then you do it again, but with a plus 1.96 to find the higher.
So the 0 part would be 32, right? For the standard deviation. For 32. It's 32, isn't it? The standard deviation, O, is 32.
Yes.
And then divided by 50?
Square root of. That's a mean, though. So what's our number? Oh, never mind. 52. Square root of 50. 541 is the sample mean. That's right.
Okay. I will be right back because I need my calculator.
Wait.
The answer is
that's 7.07107.
Oh my gosh. Okay, what?
The square root of 50 is 7.
Oh, I got my calculator. I'm good.
Okay. Glad you got it. Yeah, that's the part that I did get, but some other stuff I didn't quite.
Okay. I feel like that's wrong.
What did you get?
And I was right.
You're right, it's wrong, or you're right, it's right.
Wrong.
Or it's right, you mean you're right.
No, I'm wrong.
Okay, that sounds good. So, what did you do?
How am I?
I need your help with these when you're done.
How am I still wrong?
Okay, what did you do here, man?
Hang on.
Let me try going through it again and see if it's them or us.
No, it's probably us or me.
Always us. Okay, so 541. So 541 is x. Take away 1.96 times 32 divided by 7.071. No, I put a point instead. Start all over. Oh no, I got it right. Okay. So just make sure you get the equation right, and you'll get the right answer.
So the parentheses. Yeah, let me try this again.
Let me write it out. I'll show it. It's gonna be 5. Okay, this is what it looks like. This is what you're gonna be doing.
Oh, do you have to do the square root first?
Yeah, you have to figure out what the square root is and then divide the deviation by the square root. So it's times, so it's sample mean, take away 95%, which is the 1.96, times 32 divided by square root of 50, which is 7.07107. And then that gives you your lowest one because you were taking over.
This is okay, because that's very crucial.
Then you get 532.13, which is correct.
And yay! It's 532.13. Yay!
And then you just change the minus to a plus, as you know, and you get the higher margin. Isn't that awesome? It's so fun. I love math when I get it. I enjoy math when I actually understand the definitions and the equations and everything. It's very exciting.
Oh my gosh. That helped so much.
Maybe we'll be okay with that lesson after all. Let me know when you're ready to do the thing.
Okay, I'm good.
Good.
So okay. So 9, you find the square root for 100 again, right?
So the sample size changes to, 100. Yes. The square root of 100. No, it's cool. I'm just trying to understand this quiz question.
Okay, I think I'm more almost ready for the quiz.
Cool. Do you remember with the hypothesis testing, A being 0.05%, what that does? What the importance of that is, the alpha from last week?
I remember. Wait. Repeat the question.
You remember with, I think, last week's the hypothesis stuff, it also included the alpha number, which was A equals 0.05.
Yeah.
Do you remember what level of significance of 0.5 does for the testing? Is it
Oh my gosh.
right there?
That was in. I don't know why that was in. I'm sorry.
That's fine. You finish your thing. I'll just.
Yeah, like I'll put like I instead of doing this to my finger, like don't do that. It's not good. Don't. That's bad sign. Uh,
Wait, what was that?
I don't remember.
I didn't see the video. I was on the...
I would go over the video because I don't remember it all. Okay. So it has something to do with committing a type 1 error. Like, if you want the type 1 error to be low, A, I think, needs to be a small number.
Yeah, something like that. Okay, well, I don't know if that really applies to that. I wonder if they're just trying to make us scared. One second. What is... Oh, never mind. I didn't know this. I was being serious. Something. Anyway, once you get to the question, you can talk more in depth about it when you're ready. I'll just let it be for now.
Ignore the girl making funny noises.
I just hear you making funny noises. I think I'm right, but that was right last time too. How do you know what sample size you need based off of little information given?
Don't ask me that yet.
Would you?
And the margin of error. Okay. Okay, how are you supposed to find the margin? Oh.
That's what I'm working on right now. that's very
Number
13 is very similar to one of the questions on the quiz that I got wrong. I was thinking it was the m equals z score times standard deviation over square root number, but and so I was like, okay, this probably isn't the right way, but I'm just gonna find out what m is. And so I went backwards and I took the z score of 1.96 and I times it by the standard deviation, which was known, and then I just like in my calendar I put this number and this number and this number, like trying to find what added up to 50 because the margin total was 50. And it didn't work that way. So I don't know if that made sense, but I'm trying to figure it out right now too. So I'll let you know if I come across the answer.
For number 3 on the quiz. Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were on number 13 of the preparation still.
I didn't even do 13 on the.
Oh.
Okay, wait.
Oh, this is easy.
Okay.
Are you hushing me?
Yeah, you.
Wow.
Okay, I think I figured 3 out already, but I'm not sure. Okay, Sarah, I have a question. First 3, like out of curiosity, are you trying to find X?
Number 3, let me go to it. Okay, there's so many windows. I'm trying to find the margin of the M. So, you remember on the lesson, it has M equals G.
Uh-huh.
Is percent confidence level.
Wait. Yeah, the confidence level.
Yeah, that you get just by the 90%. So you understand that Z in this case is 1.645.
Yeah.
So that times standard deviation square root of 25.
Yeah, like I did that.
Equals the margin.
Yeah, number 3, you're trying to find the margin of error.
What did you get?
Negative 6.45.
You're kind of close. Those are like numbers, but missing one and it's not a negative. Let me do this and see it. So, okay, let me do this again. M equals Z over. So you want to kind of put this on the other side. So Z, which is 1.65 or 645, the 90th confidence level. Standard deviation, which is 50, divided by the square root of 25, which is 5. Margin. So I could even write this on this side.
Oh, wait.
You got it. Do it.
Oh, I think, yeah. Oh, okay. Okay, why did you have M in there if it's not in the equation?
Did you read that on the lesson material? It's a simple way to find.
Okay.
I don't know how to answer that question. Yeah, you don't have to go through and do the whole equation thing when this much information is given, because we don't have the X, we don't have the sample mean, we just have these 3 things, and that's the kind of equation type thing you want to do when it's this. So just put it in like this and you'll get your answer.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I hate math so much.
You can do it. Don't get. How did you do number 13 on the pro? Oh, you didn't do it. Never mind.
I will look at it and figure it out.
Well, or we can just figure it out on the quiz because there's one very similar to this. So we'll just figure out when we can do it.
So 16.45?
Is that what came out?
Huh?
Is that what came came out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was off by like 10 numbers.
Yeah, it's not funny. I was like, kind of it.
Okay. This sucked.
We're gonna go to Temple tonight again, so I'm gonna have to ditch it at some point.
It's fine.
But right now my husband's at home, and I'm gonna say
do 13 together then.
Oh, on here it's question 11 for the quiz, and 12 and 13. I'm not sure if I.
Oh.
Really? What? How do I do?
I think Weston helped me on that. What was that one? You were interested to know if the ones I'm not sure if this higher. Okay. What is the lower limit of this? So it's basically just tying that lesson into this one. So you want to try to find the lower limit of the 95% confidence interval. Wait, are you talking about 11?
11 on group quiz, yeah.
Because I was looking at 12 by accident.
Oh my god. I do have a question about 12.
They know the standard deviations for what sample size do they need? I don't know what it's asking for the margin of error.
11?
Yeah.
Well, they're asking what sample size we would need in order to make a margin of error of 50 hours. So I took
asking for 50 hours.
What?
They want 50 hours.
Yes.
Braybook means planning to study. This is the average life. 100. So they margin of error.
To try to figure it out, I took this and I put in the standard deviation and I put that number and I added those together. I times them, and then I tried to find any square root of any number that would happen to equal a margin error of 50. And I got like 49 because 16 it gives you exact 49 as a margin of error. So I did 15.697. You know, all this stuff to try to find anything that would come close. It's like 49 point something. So I could round it out, but I don't think that's what I should be doing. Because square root number of 253 is 15.5885. If I take 784 divided by that number, I get 50.2934056. So that's wrong. I have to round it there. So 50. That's probably it. I don't know. Do you have any ideas of there's a different way to do that to solve it than guessing? Or again to find the right answer?
Okay, so they want us, no, 50 hours. So we're trying to find X, right?
N.
And trying to find.
No. So you get what I did?
Yeah.
I feel like that's the way, like, do you feel like even though that might not be the right or the best way of doing it, could end up being the right answer still?
Remember the standard deviation for X is 2. Oh my gosh.
Because I don't know, I feel like the right answer is not the best way. This is what I did. Okay, don't laugh, but okay. Okay, so I took 1.96 and I timed it by the standard deviation of and those combined, this is really bad, right? Was 784. So it says. And I was like, okay, so that number, what number or square root of what number gives me a margin of 50? And then every single number of whatever would give me the number, margin number of 50. But that margin can be high or low. So it's like, I guess I don't really care about this right now. But 1 second, please. Think about that.
Oh. Oh my land. Okay.
Okay, I'm back.
Okay.
Did you ponder?
Okay, I need you to repeat that to me.
Well, I don't know if this is correct, but it seems like the only way with the information we have.
Yeah.
So I took the little equation thing that they gave us of n, the margin equals v squared times standard deviation over square root of a number.
Uh-huh.
Only things that is available for us. That's what I went with. But in this case, we don't have the number. And so if we figure out
So you You times
What?
that by 400, like 1.645 times 400.
Yes, and that's 784. This is what I did now. I don't know if it's right. I can go and submit this if you want, and then I can tell you I'm wrong. Just figure it out because I don't know. Or I could tell you that we did it the correct way. Because I will need to submit it very soon. I took 784.
What did you get? Oh, you got 784? Because I got 658.
Okay. 95, right? So it's 1.96 times. Yeah, 1.96 times.
Oh, wait. Wrong number.
So then I divided 784. First I did 784 divided by 16. That gave me the number of 49. So I thought, okay, 49 is very close to 50. It must be that the square root of 200 and something, we're going to have to find the square root being 15 point something to me. Because 784 divided by 16 gave me 49. Just did 784 divided by 15 point.
Okay, what was your final answer?
What?
What was your final answer?
Like what? Oh, for that?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
I figured. Wait, 1 second. So I was thinking that it was it's somewhere, whole number is somewhere in between 250 and 254. Or 252 and 254, something. As the square root of 49.9 something, and we can round it up to 50.
Yeah.
But there are multiple numbers I'm finding right now that give me 59 point something to round up to. Like 15.689.
I'm starting to think that you're right, but I don't mind if I miss multiple answers. So you're saying it's, wait, what are you saying? Oh my gosh.
Well, at first I thought it was 253 because the square root is 15.5885, and that gave me a number that I could possibly round. But I found out that 254, the square root of that is 15.9374, round to being 49 or 50. 254, let's put it in. But I just divided another number by 784. A margin, let's say, of 49.97131. And I was like, well, that could be it too. But I don't know what square root that is for what number.
Here, so
Square root of 251.
I could have told you it's 15.8429795
The square root of 251.
Uh-huh.
Well, it's 15.843, and then you divided that by 784. Huh? What'd you say?
That is 49.4856412.
So that's 252.
$15.87450787.
15.8745. Ooh, I think.
Sarah, I think it's 251. I think it's 251. The square root of 251.
Do 254 too. Square root of 251. Because it comes out with 49.9. Is that a better rounding answer? I don't know.
Oh my gosh.
That's what confuses me.
You need to go lower for it to be higher for square roots. So, what was the closest one we got?
Try dividing 784 by 15.9374. Oh, no, that's not it. What the heck? Where did I get this number from? Huh? I have too many numbers written down. Oh, what the heck? Something's. Oh, 250. What's 255? Is that the one? 15.9687? No. Where did my number go? Oh my heck, oh my heck, oh my heck. Square root of 5. Square root of 252. Square root of 250.
Sarah,
Yes, ma'am.
I think it's 246.
Or not definition. Square root.
Oh, never mind. Ignore me.
Okay.
I think it might. 247 is the closest I've got.
Did you do 250 already too?
250?
Yeah. I can do it if you haven't. I'll tell you what it is so it saves you time.
Hang on.
250 is 49.5. I got a number that gave me a 49.9. Where did it go to? There's no numbers on my page that did that now.
No, it's not 250.
Square root of 249.
Sarah, I already did that one. Yeah.
Hey,
what's 49 is 49.68398124.
Put in 784 divided by 15.689.
Ooh, I like that one. What's that one?
Square root of what number? I don't know. I just gave you a random number once, and it was so close, but I don't know what number. Square root of 251. No. So you did 47, 48, 49.
Yeah.
What's the closest one? Anything higher than 5?
Okay.
Square root of 248. Square root of 248 is pretty nice. Square root of 247. What's the close one you've gotten? Closest one.
The square root of 251, I think.
This one gave me 49.8. 247 did. Square root of 246. Square root of 246. Oh, this is kind of the one I got. Hey, why can't 246 be it? That gives me a total of 49.98597.
46?
Yeah, 246. Square root of 245.
246. Because I got 15.684 for the square root of it.
Yeah, and did you divide that by 784?
Yeah.
And
I got 49.8847. I guess that could be it. I don't know. You know what? I'm putting that in.
But I got this one just now. What does this mean?
You would have to round that up to
51?
51, I think.
But there's a 0 after. Hey, the whitey.
Still have to round it up.
Do I have to round this up?
Yeah.
Even though there's a 0? I have to round it up to 51. So it would probably be 246 then.
Probably. I'm putting in 246.
Me too. We don't win together or lose together, but we're together. Okay, I have a question for 12.
Okay, hang on.
Quesadilla?
What is the
Oh, there's a teeny piece maybe with the salad, that's all.
the mean salary of actual earnings and the standard deviation is lower is different from the population. Sure. That's what and okay, so it's wanting to know the lower limit of the 95% confidence interval.
Yeah, and I'm wondering if we use their. I'm coming. I'm wondering if when we calculate it all, if we're using the 111 or if we're using like.
So x equals 111.
Okay, I did that before and it was wrong. So I'm wondering if it's really the 100,000 because a mean is kind of the same thing as the sample mean. What do you think?
Well, what did you get the first time?
99 something, and I rounded it to just 99,000.
Okay.
What did you get?
I'm working it out right now.
Okay, tell me what you get, and if I rounded it wrong, maybe.
Square root of 36.
Yeah, I did that. Maybe I didn't. Okay, let me try. Take away. Take away 176. That?
I got 100. Okay, that's what I got.
What? I got this.
Start talking. Wait, I can't. Show it again, because I can't see it. Oh, there we go. Is that
99,001.
53? What?
Yeah, 99001.5323. Did you use 1,011 or 111,000? Take 1.96.
And then I multiplied it by 100,000, and then I divided it by the square root of 6.
No, you multiply it by the standard deviation, which is 36,730.
Yeah. Oh, crap. And then, so you, no. Standard root. Yes. Crap. Okay, hang on.
Here.
6, 7. I got what you got.
Okay, so the nearest whole number, would it be 99,002?
Yep. 99002. I got what you got.
Maybe that's what I got wrong last time, because I just did 99.
Oh.
I was like thinking maybe all just one.
Because they want you to round to the nearest whole number, and if it's like below, so if it's like say 99,001.4, it would be 99,001. If it was 99,001.53, it would be 99,002.
Yeah. I was just thinking just plain old numbers. And then I did this same thing.
Okay. 1.
Sad. I have these numbers memorized. That's how much I've done.
Okay.
So with this one, how would I round that up? 12, 1, 2, 3, right?
For 13?
Yeah.
Okay.
123,000. 122,000. 122,000?
Okay. 111,000 plus 1.960 times 36 divided by 6.
36,730. Divided by 6. I did that. This is what I got. Let me do it again. 111,000. 6 times.
Oh, wait.
36,730 By
36, 101,22998.4667.
yes.
So you would round that up to 98. 122,998. It would just, you would basically knock off the 0.4667, so it would stay the same. Round down.
Yeah, when I put my answers in, it was wrong. I was like, maybe we're supposed to use them. And that's all. But thank you. I just.
Okay. Well, I'm not exactly done with my quiz yet, so I'll let you leave.
Okay, I have a question about number 6 before I go.
For number 6.
Yeah, I just want to make sure I was doing it correctly. If you have any input, you can just let me know. Okay.
Okay.
So the information for that.
Gina wants to construct a 95% competency and compute. Okay, so 520.
526.
Oh my goodness. 6 minus 960 times 64.
You know when you're ready for my question. I think I'm right. I just want to make sure that what I'm doing is using the equation that we've used in the previous, which is basically just taking the z-score.
So what is the point estimate for the true GMAT? Okay, you said 6?
Yeah, for 6. Question 6.
Okay, so the margin of error.
Is it just taking the 95% level, 1.96 times 113 over 8? Just like that's what equals N. That's all we're doing.
So she's trying to find X, right?
It's 526.
Okay. Oh. Okay, really fast. The point estimate is 526.
Yes. I'm gonna submit it. I'm so scared of it.
No. Ow. What is the margin? Explain to me the margin of error again.
I did it right. Okay, so margin of error, the easy way to find it when you only have standard deviation, the 95, 99, whatever percent, and the number
Is the X equals Z times the O divided by the square root of N?
this one, or you can put M, the margin, on the other side.
Ooh, okay, hang on.
That's the way how you find it.
Times. Crap.
Oh my gosh, I got 100%. Okay. You're gonna get it. You're gonna get 100%. So awesome.
You got 27.685?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yep. Okay, I did that wrong last time. I was like, what are they asking? I was like,
7, 4, 6, 8, 7. Okay. So, well, I guess I'll see you tomorrow then.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Okay.
You're gonna get your A. I'm so excited.
Okay. Bye.
Thanks so much. See ya.
Bye.